I would be homeless than do anything else. Right now you think that what actually I am saying in today's video, because this channel is totally created with improving English, personal development, and sometimes I also reveal financial advice, right? So, hey everyone, right now I want to talk about someone who already made YouTube history. He is Mr. Beast. He has officially gained 400 million subscribers in YouTube. That's totally insane. Really, I'm also astonished. But what actually I am saying about her lifestyle, about her post when I watching in YouTube post in my mobile. Why? Because his life story, his inspirational, some important line, some sentence really helped me, really encouraged me to wake up in every single day in morning. So don't worry about that. If you're new here, my name is Tonmoy. I especially make video improving English and personal development. It's totally up to you. If you follow my instruction, my structure, you will get massive improvement and massive encouragement in your life. But after listening my word, obviously let's try to implement in your life, then you will get best result, then you will see best outcome in your life. So let's dive in. I have already think that some audience or subscriber, they are assume I can't watching this video today because this video is not like that, like improving English. Yes, this video is not about improving English, but this is a very big motivational English video, faster than ever. Why I making this video? For those. Why? Because as a beginner, when you start your journey, you always think that I can't go ever. Why? Because as a person, this is an inevitable part of our life. But when I was Mr. Beast YouTube post, when totally fill up 400 million subscriber in his YouTube, and that's totally insane, that's totally incredible, then I think that I realize really I am making a video about that. That's why my audience, my subscriber, they are get a lots of tactics, they get lots of inspirational line to arrive in their future. You think that as a beginner, when you start your journey, you always feel stuck, right? And that's the same issue is happening with Mr. Beast. When he start his journey, someone say, you can't do that. Someone criticize about Mr. Beast, but he always go with his passion. He never give up. He never quit. He just think that I love making content and I go with my direction. I never listen someone. I never listen someone criticism. I never listen someone negative thoughts. I always go with my intention, with my way. And I really impressive when I just reading and listening his post. In this post, I just explain briefly, Mr. Beast say that when I start my journey, no one can support me, but everyone always criticize me. And when I blew up in my environment, like 7 years, I think Mr. Beast entirely 7 years, he was making the video and no one watched his video, no one give a like, no one create any happyable things in his life, but he was obsessed. He get pain, he get demotivation, and in this time he always think that really am I do that? And in this time his mom say that what you do, what actually you do, and then he say I would be homeless. than do anything else. This line, I would be homeless than do anything else. I again repeat, I would be homeless than do anything else. This really insane. I really astonished when I listen and reading this line. I repeat this line, I would be homeless than do anything else. As a beginner, when you start your journey, right now, if you think that you want to be YouTuber, you want to be content creator, you want to be English speaker, you feel stuck. You always feels negative thoughts, and you always listen some negative activity, some negative conversation that your neighbors, someone say, you can't do that, and you trust this conversation, you believe this dialogue. Why? You have no any reality, you have no any goal that help you, that trustable, that so much impressive, that actually help in your life. Why you believe always others jealous, always others conversation? Why? You have a unique conversation in your head. When you listen kind of phrase, kind of conversation that no, you can't do that, you are not appropriate for this post, just always say about yourself, I can do that, I have to do that somehow. Whenever I listen this kind of phrase, this kind of dialogue, and sometimes my friend always mock with me, I just listen. Really, I just listen. I never ever give any dialogue to my friends. I just listen and just think that the day when will come in my life, I just show this conversation and loudly and boldly say, you say that I can't do that, but I can't. I can do. That's the motivation, and that's the reality. And Mr. Beast is doing the same thing in his life. I really astonished. I again say, I really impressed his activity, his legendary conversation, his legendary post. And right now, if you see that in the world, Mr. Beast is world number 1 YouTuber. So what actually I am making this video, because you get a tactics, you get a technique that when you get demotivation, anxiety to start your journey, that's the big motivation. That's the big inspirational post. Just post my video and check it out, Mr. Beast post, and just read down and just write down in your diary. Just commit about yourself that if the Mr. Beast is do, why not me? When Mr. Beast is doing the same thing, I am doing too much. Just commit it about yourself. You know, I am a person. So when I am saying to you this type of motivation line, I am also feel stuck, right? Because I am a person. I'm not any another thing, and I'm not unique. Obviously, I am unique in learning way, but when you compare with me, you and me between, we are also same. We are not any another thing. If you think that no, I can't get power to start a YouTube channel, to start a YouTube journey, it's your problem. It's your mistake, because you can't focus too much about your life. If you don't take action today, but one day you have to work hard. But in this time, in this situation, you have no time to work hard. Or if you work hard, you can't get most valuable thing. You can't get most pay attention from people, from your village neighbors, from your relatives, from your family members. So it's a high time to start your journey, to take action wisely. I really so much happy that this post I listen and I read. Without reading this post, I always feel that I missed something in my life. So if you need this post, then let me know in my comment section. I will give you in PDF file or in Drive file. Just motivate yourself, just encourage yourself to wake up in every single day. In the ending of the post, Mr. Beast say that I always wake up in every morning with a purpose. That's absolutely right. Just commit about yourself right now. Just let me clear one thing. In every morning when you wake up with a passion or without passion? If your answer is right, like in passion, or if your answer is not right, no, without passion, then let me know in my comment section. I will try to make a video about your passion, how to create your passion, how to realize your passion, how to explain your passion. I think in what thing you are good at in your life, in where you are so much comfortable, like you are so much genius to speak. That's your skill. So you focus in your communicating, you focus in your speaking skills. You know that I always say some big businessman or some fintech CEO always say one soft skill can change your life. So please, from this today, try to build up a one soft skill that's you are so much good at, that's you are so much familiar. Maybe leadership, maybe communication, maybe speaking, maybe friend. I think you are so much familiar with your friend, and that's actually a skill. You are so much familiar, famous, and you are easily grab someone attention. That's the skill. That's a very valuable skill. You know that in the world right now, most valuable skill is that to sell yourself. If you sell yourself in the world, then you don't need any degree to build up your future. I hope you understand, and I always speak too much so that you can understand all of the chapter, all of the context. And I'm also same. Right now I'm practicing my English, and that's why in every single day I just try to make more sentence, just try to boost my English fluency so that I am also improving in my life to get a good job, to start a new business in my life. By the ending of this video, I just want to clear one thing. Pause the video and just check it out, Mr. Beast post, and realize what he was saying about her life. Just one important line I always remember when I feel stuck. So ultimately, if I make any mistake to create sentence in this video, please notice me and drop your feedback in my comment that in where I mistake to create sentence, and I will try to solve my problem. If you found this video is helpful and touched your heart, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more amazing content, for more real conversation, so that you can learn English easy way or fun way. I'm always with you, so I don't make my video so much lengthy today. Please forgive me and be happy, be motivated. I'm always with you. Let's grow together. Let's hope everything will be fine. And just commit it with yourself. I am also created a plan to arrive in my future, and I apply Mr. Beast inspirational line in my life. I again repeat, I would be homeless than do anything else. If you are taking action right now, you are practicing your English, then please practicing your English consistently. Then you go in another side. Without finished your journey, you can't arrive in another thing. Just finished. If you are win or not, just finish your journey, then you get a extravagant wind, then you get prodigal win in your life. So try to make more sentence and try to implement what actually I am saying in this video. And please forgive me if I make any mistake in this video. Be happy, be motivated, stay and be consistent in your journey. Be consistent. However, you are facing a lots of problem in your life, just try to solve your problem somehow. Be consistent.